Hi guys, hope you all are doing good. My name is Priyanka, and if you are seeing this face for the very first time, I welcome you all to this channel wherein I post all content related to plants. So today I will be propagating my spider plant, which you can see has so many spider babies. This propagation can be done by two methods. Either you can cut this spider baby and put it directly into water, wait for the roots to form a little more, and then you can transfer it to soil, or you can directly put it into soil. Let's begin. Yeah, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cut all these spider babies and keep them aside, so that we can then later on either water propagate them or soil propagate them. When you're separating these babies from the mother plant, you want to make sure that you cut it as near to the mother plant as possible. Yeah, so here's the first baby, as you can see. And if I can show you, we have a lot of root system that's going on in here. So this is the first one. Similarly, I'm just going to cut all the others. Before I go ahead and cut all of that, I just want to show you all how this looks like. Yeah, so this is the mother plant, and this mother plant is also absolutely root bound, and I need to repot it, but I'm just so scared that if I repot and I lose it, I'm just very scared and I don't want to do it. So I have 6 of these spider plant babies with me. I'm just going to put some of them in water jars and some of them in soil. Hi, so I have these 2 jars filled up with water, and I'm just going to put some of the spider babies in them. So I think this should fit in. Yeah, just fits in nicely. You want to dip the baby just so much so that the roots are exposed to water, not the leaves. Yeah, so there we go. So this is how it looks like. Isn't it cute? The next propagation method is soil propagation. So for that I have this terracotta pot. Spider plants prefer not to be in soggy soil. So this is going to make sure that the soil is nice and aerated and it is not soggy. So hi, I just got some soil for prepping up my pot. This is currently just plain soil. I will mostly add some vermicompost to it, or else I'm just going to add some liquid fertilizer, diluted liquid fertilizer to it. So currently though it is just plain soil. So I'm going to layer it in the pot. Going to take in some more soil. Yeah, so one tip that I had, or else I can say that over the period of time I've learned that spider plants have this extensive root system which hold in a lot of water, and that is the reason why they can do without water as well for some days. Like you can neglect them for some days and they'll be good without water as well, but they will never appreciate being overwatered. Just create a small hole, place the root system in there and press back the soil in. Yeah, so there we go. I think it looks really cute. I'm just going to water this pot, because when I water this plant, the soil just packs in this pot, and the roots get the required water that it needs. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I liked doing it for you all. And do subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. I hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.